Hi, this is Sophie from Artinis Medical Systems. In this video, I will explain how to display IMU data in OxySoft. Some of our devices, for instance the Bright and Portalite MK2, have an integrated orientation sensor, otherwise known as Inertial Measurement Unit or short IMU. The IMU consists of a gyroscope and an accelerometer, which each have three axes of orientation: X, Y, and Z. Our software OxySoft offers the possibility to simultaneously acquire and display movement data and near signals. This can help you to detect motion artifacts in your data. The IMU of the Portalite MK2 is calibrated automatically. Calibration of the IMU in the Bright has to be done manually by following the steps displayed in OxySoft. The Bright maintains its calibration status until it is powered off. To display the IMU during your data collection, first start a new measurement. Select Polygraph in the ADC tab in the Selecting All Graphs window. Then tick the boxes of the accelerometer and gyroscope graphs and press OK. In case the Portalite MK2 or Bright is used in the dual sensor or device configuration, make sure to tick the boxes for both sensors or devices. The IMU data will now be displayed in a polygraph simultaneously with the NIRS data. To show an example of how the IMU data can be helpful, here you can see data that was recorded while a participant was shaking the head. Events M for movement and E for end were used. IMU or motion data will also be displayed in the dark value window. Thank you for watching this video.